Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here this morning before work to just share where I'm at with these little mini journals I've been working on this week. Been having some fun with these, so welcome to my channel. They're coming out super cute, and I want to I want to really make them super nice and cute on the inside on the pages. So I've just been taking my time this week and making sure everything's just right. But let me just walk you through what I'm doing. So I think I've got the number of pages in here that I want. I just am now doing some sewing on the pages. So like this one here, you saw the covers for all of these in my last video, you know, where I started working on these, and I showed you all the covers inside and out, so I won't go over that. But the pages look like this so far. I'm not anywhere near done, so but in case you wanted to make one, you know, you can look at my cover video where I showed you the covers and what I did. And also just to remind you, in case you wanted to use this kit, this is the Studio 28E kit that you can get in her Etsy, in Sherry's Etsy. And it's the cute retro vintage Halloween is what it's called. So, and it is really cute, you can see. And you've seen it before. I already did my traveler's notebook in this. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go look at that video for a, you know, taller, thinner size. It's the 8 1/4 by 4 1/4 size. But anyway, these are small. These are like 3 by 5, you know, really cute size. But anyway, so the pages look like this so far. Here I've got some of the fabric like I put on the spine on this one right here. I put some right here on this page. It's coffee dyed paper. And then so I've just got little pages here cut, you know, because I had printed the kit, that digital kit, in a smaller size, so I could make some smaller, you know, these little smaller mini journals. So just to show you the pages, I think there is, well, there's 10 pieces of paper, which when you fold them over, that makes 20 pages. And then if you count both sides, that's going to be 40, you know, pages. So I always like to put lots of writing room, of course, in my journals. So on this page, I did stitch all the way around, even though I didn't stitch anything to it. I just stitched all the way around as a decoration. So like it's straight stitched up here, and I just went back and forth with zigzag and straight stitch all the way around. So it leaves a nice little trim around the page. You can see it on both sides. And of course I haven't sewn these pages in yet because I'm still sewing on them. I want to finish sewing before, you know, before I put them in. So this is the middle. This right now is, I think it's going to be my middle, you know, open page like that. So it's pretty when you open up the middle and see both of these pages. Then you go to the back half. So far, this is scrapbook paper from the kit, not from the kit. This is scrapbook paper that I had that I thought looked neat, and here kind of a houndstooth look, and kind of, I thought it was nice and autumn or fall looking. And then I coffee dyed the back of it. So I did that last night because I wanted to use this, and I wanted this to have some color on it, and it was white on that side. It wasn't double-sided scrapbook paper. So then as you go through the back, I have the other sewing that I've done so far is on this page. This is just, you know, looks like this on the side, and then I did put a little pocket over here and zigzag stitched that on. All my ephemeras backed with file folder, so makes it nice and sturdy. So there's one pocket, and then I put this little tag in here. And let me show you what that looks like real quick, because I sewed around it also, straight stitch, and I put this little ribbon on it. This is a ribbon, and I'm going to show you my ribbon that I found. Let's see, I put that in upside down. I'll show you my ribbon I found yesterday. I was so lucky. I couldn't believe I found it yesterday, right when I was making these journals. I was at a thrift store and found this ribbon right here, and it's all ribbon, different like Halloween ribbons. So, I mean, these aren't really Halloweeny, but it's called, it's not called Halloween, but here's pumpkins here. And then you've got the green and this, you know, pretty stripy color with some orange, and I think that's purple in there. And that's where I got this. It's orange and black, and I used it up. It was right here. So I thought I couldn't believe I found that yesterday. So I used it on that tag, and then here's the rest of the pages in this one. So that's how that one is so far, the little scarecrow one. And then here is this one with the kids on the front. And so I did the same thing in all of them, but not the same places, or they don't have the same pages, you know what I mean? So I'll just show you this one real quick. Here's the little fabric sewn on this one, and that is a little like a ruffle. I have ruffled it a little bit. It's not straight across, even though I don't know if you can see the ruffle in the camera, but it is ruffled on all of these. So it looks like this. This is a bigger plaid in this one, and coffee dyed on the back of that one too. That's the scrapbook paper in this one. And then here's the sewn. I think this is the sewn page in this one. You see it all the way around. How nice it looks with the zigzag and the straight stitch all the way around. So it goes like this. And then the pocket in this one is back here. Let me see if I can find it. Like here's the middle in this one. And then the back half. And here's the well, no, that's the sewn page. Okay, here's the pocket in this one. Got a little pumpkin sewn on right here. And then here's the tag in this one. With some of that ribbon. So, that's where we're at on that one. Coming out nice and cute. That one has the lace on the spine, black lace. And then this is the little pumpkin one. It says Happy Halloween up here, just to remind you. And here's the pocket in this one, right up front, with the tag. The tags are all sewn around, like I said, nice and trimmed with black thread. Here's the ruffle in this one. And so this one, you see this is the houndstooth scrapbook paper in this one. Here's the sewn page in this one. Just so you can see that really good. I like how it shows up on the orangey paper there too. That's really neat. So coming along, but you know, I really want to, I'm not going to heavily embellish them, but I want to, you know, decorate them and sew on them some more. So really, you know, so that they're really cool. So that's it. So that's where I'm at so far. I'll come back. Probably the next video will be the final flip through, because once I finish the sewing, I'll just go ahead and sew in the pages. And I'm not sure what else I'll do. I am just kind of playing it by ear and seeing what I want to do as I go along. So don't really have a plan, just having fun. So thanks for watching today, and I hope you have a good day, and I will see you next time.